Yeah, a retaining wall is when you have something like a block or a rock, something that you stack on top, and generally they go in a place like a slope because you're trying to grade out the yard. You want to get more usability out of your yard. Maybe you're trying to build a shed or have some parking space, and so you've got to build a retaining wall in order to retain the soil and the backfill. And you have to make sure that it's going to be stable enough, strong enough to hold those backfill pressures. And retaining walls serve to stop erosion. They help direct water flow. They help flatten, like we said earlier. And some you can pour them in place if you do them out of concrete. There's several materials, but yeah, there's definitely a science. There's a technical side to a retaining wall.